How can we solve this? This is the exponential equation. Now, split each of them. This dot means times. And the same thing here. Then let's make sure that x stay one side. So by that we divide by this by this, so that this can cancel this, and we have here 7 divided by 5 exponential x times to be equals to 5 raised to the power 4, because this is gone. Going back to this place, if I have, this is 7 squared is 49. That's 49 divided by 5, all raised to x, since I have x in common. Then times 7 or 8 equals to 5 raised to the power 4. To make this the subject, we divide by this. So 49 divided by 5, all raised to x, made the subject, divide both sides by 7 raised to the power 8. So we have this. Now we are almost done. Look at something here. If I write this, I can write 7 to the power 8 as 7 squared, then multiplied by 4 raised to the power 4, because 2 times 4 is still 8. And if I do that, that will help me a lot. It will save time. So I can have this as 5 power 4 divided by 49, because that's what I did here. 49 power 4. So we now have something similar here. I have 5 divided by 49 raised to a common power, which is 4. But here is 49 power 5, while here is 5. We can do something here. What if I take the reciprocal of this side? That means raised to power x, and I work with this. If I work with that, I'll have 1 divided by 5 divided by 49. It will give me, it will take this up. So I have 49 divided by 5. And this will be raised to the power minus 1, because we've taken the reciprocal. This transformed to this. So the same thing here. Going back to this place, we have 49 divided by 5 raised to the power x, expressed as 49 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 1 here times 4. There's a minus 1 that we've gotten from here times the 4 that was here times 4. That will give us minus 4. So we have 49 divided by 5 raised to the power x equals to 49 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 4, because minus 1 they has multiplied the 4 here, giving us minus 4. So since I have the base to be the same, we get the power. Therefore our x equals to what? Minus 4. We stop here. Very simple. Subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. Bye bye.